The 150 series Prado is the newest and latest generation of Toyota's smaller 4x4 family. Capable of high power and fast maneuvering, the Prado 150 is the ultimate getaway car for any family. Even with the advanced safety features that the new Prado has received, the new Prado is yet still no match for the Outback. So in this case, we're going to be fitting on a powerful 4x4 Premium Series Bullbar. So we've got the Prado right here in the powerful 4x4 workshop. As you can see, it's still a stock bar on the actual Prado, all plastic. We're about to put a powerful 4x4 premium steel bull bar on this, with dual tow hitch supports, 63mm tubing. It will definitely give the Prado the protection it needs. So let's get Ray, our chief fitter, to go ahead and fit the bar on.
First thing, we just got to remove all the clips. Okay, pull the trim off. Put it somewhere safe, just put it back. There's more clips here holding the bar and the grill together, so you just remove them. 2 on each side. That's it. Now, we've got 2 bolts to remove for the grill. There's clips inside here, you just got to unclip to get the grill out. Just 3 on each side. Once you got your grill out, you got 4 clips holding the bar to the rear. Just remove them. That's it. Next, what we're going to do is pull all the bolts off the bar that's holding to the support. Once you do the side bolt, there's also 6 bolts underneath holding the bar together. Remove them. Once you've undone all the bolts and your bar's ready to come out, it depends on the model Prado you got. Some of them got the spotlights on them, so you got to pull this cover here off. You pull the splash straight back. You can see the wires just clipped into the spotty right there. Just unplug them, and that's it. Next step is to unclip the bar from the guard. Put that to the side.